That happy little orange sphere says good morning. We're in our third hour of AMHQ. It's 9:29 in the east, 8:29 central, and 6:29 in the west coast. So good morning to you again. Our big story on AMHQ this morning, another round of rain moving into the west. Now, it is needed in Southern California, but it's already rain-soaked the landscape in Washington state and also in Oregon. Above average rainfall blamed for triggering a deadly landslide in Oso, Washington. There's about a 90% chance for more rain. Rescue teams are dealing with that rain as they head back. And they just want to know when the sun's coming up because it's going to take a while to dry that soaking mud that's acting like quicksand and is hampering rescuers from getting into that area. So rain comes in, and I don't know that it's going to get out of there today. So take a look at it. Today, 8 a.m., 11, 2 to 5 to 8 p.m. It's rainy all the way solidly through today in the San Francisco area and on points north. So I would take that from Central California up, and here's why. Take a look at this energy from that low pressure that just kind of pushes that moisture in off the Pacific and grab it right there and move it all the way up the coastline. So moisture is definitely pushed into that land area. Emergency Management Director says people are living in Oso and they had no warning that there was going to be a mudslide in that area. Mike has some exclusive technology. He went out and got this story for us only here on AMHQ to talk about technology that truly can make a difference in a situation just like this.
This is a difference maker for sure, guys. I mean, research group here at the University of Alabama Huntsville is using the mountains of northern Alabama to study landslides. They are trying to find a way to warn people the very moment the earth begins to shift.
And everything was gone, like 3 seconds. We're gonna lose our house.
There really is no stick standing in the path of the slide.
Roads, homes, a river encased in a square mile of mud. One of the most massive landslides the state of Washington has ever seen.
It's slid a couple times in my life, but never nothing like this.
It's a catastrophe that occurs with little or no warning, and a problem a research group in Alabama is working to solve.
We're actually looking at an active landslide in the Monte Sano State Park.
This natural slide is a giant science experiment where wireless sensors are monitoring the weather, soil stability, and soil moisture. 3 things that offer clues about potential landslides.
In this box here, we have an interface to a bunch of soil moisture probes that we stick in the ground that tell us what is really going on in the soil.
The data is sent over a cell phone network and can be read in real time, alerting to movement or changes. But the team wants to take it one step farther.
So is your hope to make this eventually an automated warning system in essence?
In a case where we have an active landslide zone, we can hook up a speaker or a siren, and when the system detects movement in the land, we can trigger the siren automatically from this little computer.
It'd be almost like having a tornado siren.
Exactly.
Which could be the difference between life and death for people in landslide-prone areas. And it's surprisingly affordable.
Under $100 a box. That way,
that's nothing.
That is nothing.
A small investment to make huge advances in warning for these disasters.
About 4,500 people are killed each year worldwide by landslides, so being able to alert people instantaneously could be invaluable. Sirens attached to these very affordable boxes could be the answer.